So Mama here just had a bunch of babies and she's still whimpering, so I wouldn't be surprised if she's got another one coming. She's not sure she wants me anywhere near her babies. This is her first litter. You good mama. Oh, okay honey, let's peek at those babies. Oh, they're wiggling. If they're anything like their father here, they're an active little bunch. Oh, they're noisy. A lot are broken, and the pink ones will likely be white. Oh, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trying to feel around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I believe there's 7. You made a nice nest, honey. They're okay. Everybody's doing good. She's not normally like this. So we're gonna leave mom and babies alone. Good job, Mama. That'll be a lot for a first-time mom to take care of. But she did good. She had them all in the nest, so that's what we hope with our brood does. All right, we're gonna leave her to rest. I know this is the father. He's very excited. Hi, buddy. He's a very friendly rabbit. So we'll take a peek over here. Here are Ginger and her kits, which aren't so little anymore. This is some more. My daughter is begging to keep her. We're actually not sure. It could be a him. And then we have a bunch of babies over here. And my son has another one with him right now during his Zoom class. So I'll have to show you that one at another time. But that one's white with blue eyes. It's a beautiful rabbit, the one he has. So they all have homes, except of course the one my daughter wants. So like we need another rabbit. But that's that's what happens with rabbits. And the 3 over here are doing fabulous. Let me show you here. Aren't they cute? Oh, I just opened it, so now it's bright. These are our Holland Lops. So they're just starting to move around a lot and friendly. They're very, very cute. So the white ones have homes already. They're going to 2 little girls, sisters. And of course everybody wants to keep this gray one. He's just beautiful. Let me see if I can pull him out. Now with that hand, everything's harder when you're holding a phone. So everybody wants to keep this little one. The other 2 have homes. He's just beautiful and he has blue-gray eyes. Hey, babe. Where you going? Where you going? But he's just beautiful. He has blue-gray eyes. Cuteness overload. He will just dive off of this if I'm not careful. So back in the nest. He's a busy little buddy. Busy little bunny.